People were asking if I chose the song because of a pun, because if you read the hiragana backwards, it's ina ina. I did not think about that until you guys pointed it out to me. I didn't realize until you pointed it out to me. I was like, wait a minute. And Genma was like, Ina, did you know? 99 backwards is Ina Ina. I was like, yeah. A chat told me. So I guess it kind of worked out. Also because the theme of the art that I drew for it, it's kind of like, you know, mirrored image of Ina and Shadow Ina. So it's like if you mirror Nai Nai, it becomes Ina Ina. I was like, this is too big-brained. That's how it ended up being. Big brain, galaxy brain, that's very deep.